Hello everyone, good morning. I wish for you good time and good luck. In this video I'm going to showing you how to make your national ID personal picture or like this photo you see with Adobe Photoshop. Just follow me, and the first time we're going to making a new file. Okay, change this pixel to centimeters. Okay, and change the number white to 10 and change highness to 15. Okay, so change the resolution to 300 and select this high personal. Okay, don't select this, just it. So create, okay, and move the personal picture or your picture, for example any picture you want to making it to Adobe. So in here, go to the toolbar and get a quick selection tool and just select a personal, okay, without the background. So click a mask in here or in the layer list, there's no problem. Okay, to removing a background, and go to select a moving tool and resize this picture. For example any size you want, just for dividing to here. Okay, and now press and hold from your keyboard, okay, and alt tape. Okay, press and hold alt and click and hold on the mouse left size and move to making a copy. Okay, so make again for this tape. If you see the size in here, if you see the size is very biggest, so you can turn back or get back in here. Okay, so resize the first picture again, okay, to smallest, and click to the done or here the true symbol, it's no problem, and make again to copy. So again it's worked, success. So make like me, okay, and here you can with this planet you can making a 9 picture, and some planet just making a 6 picture, but with my plane you can making a 9 picture. So in here you can saving your project as picture, or you can printing over only. If you have a printer from your house or you're working in a shop designer, click Ctrl P on your keyboard. Okay, go to print settings. You need a photo paper in the first time, okay, for printing with your printer. If you have a size A4, going here to paper size. I'm just using a A4, okay, because I'm using a Canon Pixma MP252. Okay, I biggest size of my printing paper is A4. Okay, you can using any size, and media tape you can getting photo paper pro and quality get high. Okay, so click OK. Just click to the print over your print if it's working and connected with your PC or your computer or your laptop, over it's working. Okay, but and if you want you can change the picture to hell. Okay, for you can using more planes to making a new project again from your or at your photo paper. Okay, so in here we ended this video. If you loved this video, I wish you like and share for another people's. So subscribe to see new video in soon time. So thanks for watching.